Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel if you're new here. My name is Ari, and on this channel we do a lot of house tours, travel vlogs and lifestyle vlogs. If that seems like something you would want to watch, please consider subscribing down below and hit the notification button to get notified every time I post a video. Also, give this video a thumbs up, and because it really helps with the algorithm.
I don't want you. There's not a way to explain that it couldn't be better. It's more than I ever thought I could find. Put it all on the line. I'm in love with your design. When you dress up for the night and I don't say a word, it's not that I don't notice, but still you should have heard. Complacent in the way I see you every day. Oh, I don't wanna throw this away. Well, I hope that you know that I hear that I don't let it show that I want you. There's not a way to explain that it couldn't be better. It's more than I ever thought I could find.
This is like, we get it from here, this angle. Wow. How houses have this thing. It lights up. I think at night it would be beautiful, but right now that's how it looks. Yeah. It's from the 5th floor. Have the black backsplash, which is really nice. And something you can actually live with. Comes with an inbuilt oven, microwave, and then the cooker that has the thing, and then all answers. Oh, the balconies are everything. Oh my gosh. Guys, can you imagine what we can do here with all this space? It's by the road, but who cares? Man, the ocean right there. You can see it better here. It's a 3-bedroom and we love it. Don't we? Don't we? I think we do. It's everything.
Well, I hope that you know that I hear that I don't let it show that I want you. There's not a way to explain that it couldn't be better. It's more than I ever thought I could find. Put it all on the line. I'm in love with your design.
Leave a comment down below telling me what your favorite part of this whole house tour. I really enjoyed doing it and I hope you enjoy watching it. Bye!
I could find, put it all on the line. I'm in love with your design. up for the night.